He had 6 sons, my grandfather, no daughter. The first 3 sons have started working right after the secondary school, including my father. But he insisted that the last 3 had to go to the best schools again. And the last 3, we call them the first group of brothers, and the second group of brothers. And the first group of brothers, of course, was in apprenticeship with their father. And he trusted them. He gave them different responsibilities. And after years passed, we see that he actually has given them responsibilities, accountabilities, according to their really capabilities.
He knew them very well, and
so he knew them, and he tested them during the period. He was a man. He was a good coach. He was a good coach, I think.
Was he demanding with his
demanding,
children?
Motivating, and testing, and so I had my small share of that also.
With him.
You know. Further in the maybe interview, you will ask me why I love so much the industry, because I think it was he planted it. I was 3 years old. He took me to the factory.